How to play Fallout offline on my device.
Welcome to our video tutorial. Today, we're going to explore how to play Fallout offline on your device. This can be especially useful when you don't have access to a stable internet connection but still want to enjoy the Fallout gaming experience.
What is Fallout?
Fallout is a popular post-apocalyptic role-playing video game series. Developed by Bethesda Game Studios, Fallout games are typically set in the aftermath of a global nuclear war where you, as a player, must navigate and survive in this devastated new world.
Can you play Fallout offline?
Absolutely, you can play Fallout offline. However, it depends on the specific game within the series. Some Fallout games, like Fallout 4 and Fallout New Vegas, are single-player and can be played without an internet connection. But online multiplayer games like Fallout 76 typically require an internet connection.
How to install Fallout?
Before you can play Fallout offline, you'll first need to install the game. You can do this through game distribution platforms like Steam or directly from a physical disc if available. 1. If you're using Steam, open the application, search for the Fallout game you want, purchase it, and then download it. 2. If you have a physical disc, insert it into your device, and follow the prompts to install the game. Remember, you'll need to be online to perform the installation.
How to set up offline mode?
Once you've installed the game, setting up offline mode is relatively straightforward. For Steam users, 1. Go to the top left of the Steam client and click on Steam. 2. From the drop-down menu, click on Go Offline. 3. A prompt will ask you to restart in offline mode. Click Restart in offline mode. Now, you can launch Fallout and play offline. For physical disc users, simply launch the game from the disc. Internet is not required after installation.
Are there any limitations?
While you can enjoy the rich narrative and gameplay of Fallout offline, some features will be unavailable. Updates, patches, and downloadable content, DLC, usually require an internet connection. Also, some achievements may not register until you go back online. In conclusion, playing Fallout offline is feasible and straightforward. This allows you to enjoy your adventure in the post-apocalyptic world whenever and wherever you want. Hope this guide has been helpful. Enjoy your journey in the wasteland, and remember, war never changes.